Hello, today we will guide you through how to save conversations in Gemini Google AI Studio. In this walkthrough, you'll see how conversations in Gemini are saved automatically and how to find them later. The process is quick, and once you know where to look, you can confidently return to any chat without worrying about losing your work. Start by heading to Google AI Studio. When the page loads, you'll be on a new chat screen with a message box ready for your first prompt. This is where the saving process begins. Simply type a short sample message to get things going, something like a greeting, a question, or a brief instruction, and send it. As soon as you submit that first message and receive a response, a new conversation is created. Here's the key point. Once the conversation starts, it's already saved. There's no separate save button and no extra confirmation needed. The platform automatically logs your chat as a distinct thread, complete with a timestamp and a generated title. If you close the tab or step away, that conversation remains stored under the account you're using. It's normal if the title updates after a moment, as the system may refine it based on your content. To review your saved conversation, look for the option labeled View All History. Selecting this opens your conversation history, where you'll see a chronological list of your chats. Your newly created conversation should appear near the top, showing its title and the time it was created. Open it to view the full exchange, including everything you typed and the responses you received. From there, you can continue the discussion exactly where you left off, or just reference it as needed. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a brief moment. Autosave typically completes quickly. A few practical tips as you work. Because saving is tied to your account, your conversations will be available the next time you return, as long as you're using the same account. Keep your prompts clear and descriptive so that your history is easy to scan later. And for privacy and security, avoid including sensitive information in your messages, since anything you type becomes part of the saved thread. That's all it takes. Go to Google AI Studio, send a message to start the conversation, know that it's saved automatically, and use View All History to find it anytime. With this simple flow, you can focus on your ideas and let the platform handle the saving for you.